Hi, I'm Camilla, and today we're answering all your questions about the AllMatters menstrual disc, from insertion to removal and frequently asked questions. The AllMatters menstrual disc comes in low-waste packaging that's fully recyclable. You'll find step-by-step instructions printed on the inside to reduce excess materials. Each disc also comes with a reusable cotton pouch for easy storage between cycles or while on the go. The disc is made from 100% medical-grade silicone, is super soft and flexible, and can last up to 10 years. Before inserting your disc, make sure to wash your hands and your disc. We don't want any infections. When it's time to insert, make sure you find a comfortable position. You can sit down, squat, or simply stand. Do what feels good for you. Once you're in a comfortable position, pinch the disc into a figure 8. Start inserting your disc, pointing downwards and back. Once the disc is all the way in, make sure to tuck it behind your pubic bone to secure it in place. Because the disc sits all the way in your fornix, you shouldn't be able to feel it. You can go dance, swim, work out, or even have sex with it without feeling it. To remove the disc, tuck your finger behind the rim and start pulling out horizontally to avoid spillage. Empty wash and reinsert. Here's some answers to some of your most frequently asked questions about the disc. If you're having a hard time removing your disc, try to bear down with your pelvic muscles. This should bring the disc further down so it's easier to reach. No, your disc cannot get lost inside of you. Your cervix acts as a natural barrier, so nothing can get past it, not even your disc. Many people with IUDs use menstrual discs without any issues. Just be mindful when removing it. If you're unsure, check with your doctor. And the question you've all been waiting for, can I have penetrative sex with the disc? Yes, you can use the disc for mess-free period sex. Unlike the cup, the disc sits all the way up in your fornix, leaving the vaginal canal open. Besides that, it's very flexible. Just keep in mind that the disc is not a contraceptive and doesn't protect against STIs. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help.